Welcome to Royal Caribbean's Freedom of the Seas. We're giving you a room tour of Suite 9638. Welcome to our junior suite. Welcome to our spacious room. This is one great thing about the junior suite is how much room you have. We have our bed set up as a king-size bed, but this will split into 2 twin-size beds. We each have a bed nightstand, the telephone, lights for above the bed. There's even a curtain kind of separating the little living room area from your bedroom space, but we do have a couch. Extra seating in here, which is not normal in the standard room. What also isn't standard is having a coffee maker. This is Greg's highlight of having a junior suite, is getting this coffee maker that's in any of the suites. And then right below that is the mini fridge, which it's just a cooler, but it's still great for throwing your waters and your drinks in. The vanity area has a ton of storage, lots of drawers. There's even I like hiding stuff in these little cubbies, but there's little cabinets next to the mirror. I usually put my jewelry and stuff in some of these. And then there's a long shelving unit with the safe included in here. But the real highlights of the junior suite are this way. Welcome to the walk-in closet. This closet is massive. They already provide you with 2 robes, but this closet, if you're on this ship for a long time, this is where it's at with this walk-in closet. And then the other nice thing about this junior suite is the bathroom. The bathroom does have upgraded amenities. You won't see like a bottle of lotion and a vanity kit if you have a regular room. And you definitely will not see having a bathtub in the regular rooms. Also, normally you just get a hair and body wash, one combo in the rest of the rooms, but this one you get upgraded amenities and you actually have shampoo and conditioner with this bathtub. But what I really love is out this way. Come out to our balcony. This balcony is definitely oversized. Normally you do not have chairs, a table, and 2 loungers on here, but with the junior suite you get all of this. We will spend a lot of time out on this balcony. Well, thanks for coming on our tour of Freedom of the Seas Junior Suite 9638.